That was awkward. Hit. Love you, Trey. I got him, I got him, I got him. Attaboy. Hey, I got him. Here. Yeah. Woo! Hey, we're switching sides, I think. Let's just go alley. Hey, we're going all the way down the alley.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, everybody has to go. You can't just go like 10 plus ain't gonna get out. You see what I'm saying? Because they're not gonna pick.
Yeah, everyone go.
No.
Win that? How do we not win that? No, now we're done. Hey, no big deal, guys. Got you guys a bunch of champs. Speed Soft Nation, boy.
Dude, I got what I want. Why I ain't go through the we can just try to cut off Trey?
Oh. Yeah, GoPro, dude.
We're gonna put them on this side before they get on the. We need to let them first. Wait.
Oh, gee, thanks, KJ. Got him, got him, got him. Yeah. Hey, Josh, we're gonna go in. Hold on. Hey, we get to start.
Oh yeah, no problem.
Hey, good game, guys. Good game, guys.